Hey guys, as you know, I am setting up so that I can unbox this paper pumpkin with you guys. Whoops. And of course, in the beginning of my live videos, I'm always trying to figure out how everything looks and stuff like that. Okay. And now I'm going to use my Facebook and get on there. And there I am. I'm going to go right there. So I can see if anybody comes on. And yada yada. And there I am. I'm going to go right there. I wonder why it's doing that. So I can see if anybody comes on. Did I do it wrong? And yada yada. And there I am. I'm going to go right there. I wonder why it's doing that. See if anybody can do it wrong. And yada yada. There I am. Right there. I wonder why it's doing that. I can see if anybody can do it wrong. And yada yada. Hold on, sorry. Having technical difficulties because I can hear myself twice. This is not the way I wanted it to look, but hopefully you guys can still see what I'm doing. I think what happens is when I start recording, I can't rotate my phone, and I should have rotated my phone before I started recording, but I guess that's okay. Oh man, I'm a little bummed because I like it when you can see my whole screen, not just half of it. Oh well, but you guys can see what I'm doing, and I can see it too. Oh, I thought I was all set, but not quite. Sorry guys. I'm going to grab my scissors so I could take the tape off. I hope you guys have had a good Tuesday. And you guys, for those of you that worked, hopefully you enjoyed your little break yesterday and enjoyed your 3-day weekend. All right. If I remember correctly, the February paper pumpkin is succulents, I think. I'm gonna find out. I haven't really spoiled myself to find out what this is, but I think that's what it is. I'm gonna find out just like you. Oh, okay, well let's read this first thing that says a free stamp set in every March box. Oh, because Paper Pumpkin will be 6 years old. How awesome is that? So I guess what that means is if you would like to participate in this, you would need to sign up for Paper Pumpkin anywhere from February 11th to March 10th. March 10th is the last day that you could do this. All right. Oh, yes, I was right. It looks like this is a stamp set that has succulents on it. Let's see, what does this say? Be kinder to yourself and let your kindness flood the world. Aw, that's sweet. Then this is, you're the reason I smiled today. Can do incredible things. Life is tough, but so are you. These are some appropriate sentiments. Are beautiful, are wonderful. Thank you. I like this big U right here. Oh, well, as you guys know, I'm always learning when it comes to my Facebook Live, so next time I'll do it better, but as I can see from my iPad, you guys could still see it, but then you see me. I was trying to focus on the screen. Hi, Karen. So the ink they give us is Fresh Fig, and of course I like this color. Look. It matches my sweater, doesn't it? Don't you think? Let me open it and see. Oh, let's see. It's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like it matches, right? That's pretty dark. So I'll probably bring this kit with me at tomorrow's event, Karen, and could look at it together. This is what, oh, how cute. I'm a fan of succulents, so this is totally up my alley. My whole backyard, we're trying to convert it into succulents, so I'm already in love with this, and I haven't even opened it. Right. Okay. Take this wrapping paper off, or plastic I should say, not wrapping. Oh, nice. Oh, how pretty. I love it. It looks like a photograph. Whoops. I'm trying to figure out how to do that. Looks like a photograph. Well, let me get the general paper. I used to save these little tidbits and stuff, but I started accumulating them, so I just threw them away. So it's grown with kindness. It looks like you have 3 different pictures, and there should be enough material for all of that. And here are the instructions. Oh, how nice. I'm gonna have a lot of fun doing this. One thing that I like that Stampin' Up does, especially in the paper pumpkin kit, is how they have a ruler right here, so if you want to make sure that your measurements are correct, you have a reference right there. We'll see how many things your kit includes. So a Grown with Kindness photopolymer stamp set. Fresh Fig was the classic Stampin' ink. 9 card bases, 9 envelopes, 3 gray card panels, 3 vellum card panels, 9 photo card panels, 2 sheets die cut labels, 3 yards of black baker's twine, 1.5 yards white baker's twine, 40 silver and metallic enamel dots, 35 dimensionals, and 125 adhesive dots. It's nice they give us that, but I like using, well, this is the refill, but I like using snail the best. This is my little to-go bag that has all my adhesive and stuff in it. Well, now that I've read all the materials that are in here, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what they look like, and then I'll let you go. So there's the twines they were talking about. This must be the enamel dots they were talking about too. Where does that go on here? Oh, like in this thank you card right here, they have it. That is if you follow the directions, or in my case, I like to look at the pictures for inspiration. And then the enamel dots are right here too. So then of course here are your envelopes. And we all know what envelopes look like. Okay, so now we have this clear, where does this clear go to? I think it goes with the second card, because this looks like it has 3 layers. It's got like a black card base, and then it has this, and then it has your picture. But why would you put that under the picture? I don't know. Let me see. It doesn't say. I don't know. Maybe they just wanted to give it a different look. Oh, so what looked like, well, actually this is gray. I thought maybe they were getting the colors wrong or something. Well, let me just look through this. I'm just kind of talking out loud. So then we have the card bases here and the pretty succulents. I think I have a plant like this in my backyard. I know I have this right in my front yard. Oh, this is so pretty. It doesn't feel like a photograph. It definitely feels like paper. But I'm sure you guys have seen pictures like this. And then we have you. What did they say? Oh, so that makes sense. Okay, this stamp set right here, or a couple of them, just say are wonderful, and then this one says can do incredible things. So they probably expect you to use the you picture for that. There was something else. Okay, are wonderful. Oh, are beautiful. That one too. Oh, and I love this. This is so cute. I was sad when a couple years ago Stampin' Up had a succulent set and I never got it, and then it retired and I never got it. I could kick myself for that. So then, oh, this is cute. The little, it kind of matches the stamp set right here. Almost, not quite, because the succulents are different, because that one is more like a flower and this is more like a cactus. But still, that's cute. So then, what is this one? Sorry, I'm looking back at the picture for reference. I guess I'm going to have to figure that out because I'm not sure exactly what background this is. But it's a card thing. And then the black and white ones go with the first picture. Sorry, I'm going to do it this way because I keep looking at the pictures for reference. And then here's all your labels. Oh, okay, these two go with that. And then this goes with that. And that one goes with this. Okay. I think that is it. Oh, here's the black that I was thinking. So this will have a gray card base and that will have a black card base. If I don't end up working on these cards tomorrow, maybe I'll come back and put a card or two together with you guys like I did when I made the Valentine treats. I think I did that. So maybe I'll do that again with this kit. And remember, if you guys are interested in getting a free stamp set in your March box, you need to, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm tired tonight. Sorry, guys. Not recommend. Sign up, I guess, by March 10th if you have not signed up before, or if you are a previous subscriber, resubscribe by then. And so that makes me wonder what free stamp set we're going to get. But don't we already get a stamp set when we're already doing Paper Pumpkin? Maybe there's going to be 2 stamp sets. I don't know. I guess we'll find out in March, right? And remember, when you guys go on this website, here it just says, visit our site to watch a quick video that'll show you how to make this project, pumpkinhowto.com. I'm trying to tell you guys how to sign up for this, though. Usually they would tell you, right? Oh, yeah. Go to stampinup.com, Paper Pumpkin, to order more. And I think when you go on that website, all you have to do is add my name to it, so then you get credit for it. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you're not understanding what I'm trying to say, feel free to personally message me and I'll try to give you a better clarification. Anyways, guys, that was all I wanted to share tonight, and I want to thank you for watching. And like I said, if you have any questions or whatever, feel free to contact me and I will answer you to the best of my ability. If you are not working with a demonstrator and would like to get a catalog or know more about Stampin' Up in general or join my team, feel free to leave me a message and I will get back to you. Have a good night, guys. Now I have to figure out how to turn this off from here. Sorry, I'm probably going to make you dizzy because I'm probably going to have to turn it the other way. Anyways, good night, guys.